Experts warn that levels of stunting are likely to rise if measures are not put in place to address the high cost of food. Our reporter Agnes Penda spoke to some parents on the effect of the high cost of living on a child's nutritional needs.
Anjeri has just arrived with her baby, a 1.5-year-old toddler. She puts down her flask of porridge that she has carried from home. This is where she and 20 other mothers leave their babies as they head to work. Most of them are flower farm workers who can ill afford the 30 shilling a day fee for their child's daycare.
Wanaletwa saa 12 na 40. Wengine wanaendelea kuletwa saa 1, saa 2.
This is a local daycare, and as much as Pauline Mutua cares for the young ones all by herself, there are things she cannot do for the babies, like providing them with nutritious meals. And it's not that there's a big difference with the food brought by the parents. On the table, there are containers, one for every child: white rice with black tea, ugali with sukuma wiki, white porridge with just some sugar, and for the few luckier ones, some milk.
Wanaelewa lakini mapato iko chini kabisa. Wanaelewa, ukiangalia kuna wazazi hawa nalelea ni wale wa tuseme wa 84, wanaelewa kila kitu.
This daycare is part of a kindergarten school. Some of the children here are provided with food by the school after their parents have paid a sort of a lunch fee. The menu appears to offer a better diet than the parents can afford. The parents have cited a high cost of living, which has led to the high food prices as a major factor in their food choices. Joanne Maina is a flower farm worker in Isinya, Kajiado County. She has come to pick up her baby.
Sinaweza mletea kama ni maziwa, kesho yake kauji, kamchele hivyo ama ndizi. Saa zingine haitoshi juu hata unaweza sikia umpe maziwa haitoshi. Sasa inabidi tu sana akunywe uji.
Kwa nini haitoshi?
Pesa.
Mtoto ni vile sasa, kama mtoto unaona amebeba mchele plain, si utaambia mzazi labda anunua ka spinach uweke, fanya hivi. Lakini mzazi anapokuelezea the amount anapata, ile salary anapata, na vile ana watoto labda wengine ni singles, unaona they are suffering.
Trends like this have contributed to the 26% malnutrition rate in Kenya. 3 out of 10 children are malnourished, leading to stunting. Urban centers have not been left out.
The rate for malnutrition in terms of percentage may not be that high. You may even find places like Nairobi with like even less than 5%. But the truth is, the absolute number of children who are malnourished within like Nairobi would be very high.
Experts warn that stunting in children is the main cause of underdevelopment of children.
If a mother is packing 1 egg, packing some rice and some vegetable, and possibly even a fruit, it may be enough for that day.
Agnes Penda, KTN News.